I grew up in a rural community, and the problem with living in a rural community is I can't say the word rural. That's a hard one. Rural. I don't know why they give the hardest words to the people with the least intelligence. Rural. And how did the mailman find that? Oh, I know exactly where the fuck that's at. Rural. It makes me think maybe my dog did know how to talk. Yeah. He was trying to teach me how to say it. Rural. Roar! Roar, 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 roar! You keep this up, we're both gonna get neutered. Now you're gonna find this hard to believe, but here's where it gets weird. Have a seat. You're just in time. We're getting ready to sell Amway. My home address was Route 1. It was, and here's what I learned. If you say that 5 times fast, you sound like Scooby-Doo, and your teacher will hold you back a year.